Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today I'm diving deep into the world of scaly fish and unlocking their incredible health benefits. You might be thinking, scaly fish? Really? But stick with me. These little swimmers pack some serious nutritional punch. First off, let's talk omega-3 fatty acids. Scaly fish like salmon, mackerel and sardines are loaded with these heart-healthy fats. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure and even improve brain health. Imagine having a sharper mind and a healthier heart, all from adding a bit of fish to your diet. But that's not all. Scaly fish are also rich in high-quality protein. This means they're perfect for muscle growth and repair. Whether you're hitting the gym or just looking to stay fit, these fish have got your back. Now let's talk vitamins. Scaly fish are an excellent source of vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and immune function. And with most of us not getting enough sunlight, adding fish to your meals can be a tasty way to boost your vitamin D levels. Worried about mercury? It's all about balance. Smaller scaly fish like sardines and anchovies tend to have lower mercury levels, making them a safer choice for regular consumption. So, next time you're planning a meal, think about giving scaly fish a try. Your body will thank you. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health